Hi, welcome back to Sadie's Spincraft. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Niddy Noddy to its full extent. Yes, we all know how to do a Niddy Noddy. I am taking you back to basics, but there are a few out there that are just starting that are like, the hell's she using? What's that? Well, this is a Niddy Noddy. This is what you take your yarn off your wheel with, or in my case, today, we are going to be frogging some handspun yarn that I started crocheting about 2 years ago. I was making a humongous, what do you call it? It was going to be a house coat. So I've got quite a bit to frog, but we're going to show you some of this one and we're going to get it onto the Niddy Noddy, and we're going to use the Niddy Noddy to its full extent. So first of all, you want it so one is like that, one is like that. If you've ever played with jacks, you'll know that they're a bit like this, just with extra spikes and a lot smaller. So first thing I am going to do is I like this bit to be facing me, so I know that's the start. If you have one that is slightly different, or you've made it yourself, make sure you know you've got a notch or something to say that it's a start, so you don't lose your spot. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around that middle, so I've got something secure to hold on to. So I'll keep hold of that. That base will stay, oh, got my hair, will stay round about there, so then I'm not losing it. But what you'll see, this turns quite a bit. So I'm just going to push you back so you can see what's going on. So first of all, we're going to go over. So we come from this side, you've wrapped it round, and we're going over the first one, under the bottom one, over the top one, under the bottom one. And if you notice, watch my hand as it moves. Over the top, under the bottom, and I'm coming round over the top and down. You can do it without so much movement, but you are going to have that moving, if you catch my drift. So I'll just show you on a quicker speed. It's a bit hard coming off something that's been already made, but you just use your thumb and your hand to guide around the Niddy Noddy. I don't know how much of this I'm going to take off, so I'm going to stop here and speed up so that you can see what it looks like all sped up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to wrap your skein as you take it off your Niddy Noddy. So now you can see you've got a loose end round and a loose end here. So what you're going to do with these loose ends, I'm going to point you so you can see what I'm doing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to butterfly tie it So we keep hold of that bit, right? So keep hold of that bit, and you're just gonna split your yarn with your other thumb, and you're gonna tuck it through and round, back through and through that loop there that you've made, and tie it off. I know I'm probably teaching you how to suck eggs, but it's all good in the hood. You just say, yes, Sadie, I know that. Right, where's that monkey gone? It's down here. Right, so we've got the one that we started at the beginning. We're going to do the same. I'm just going to pull that up so that it's nice and loose, so that we can go to as far down as it'll let us. So keeping hold of this side, we're going to split the yarn as evenly as we can. Go through, through. Make sure you're coming through that bit so it locks it. And tie a knot. If you want to, you can use some spare yarn and do that one and that one. I don't. So now I will be steaming this, but I'm going to show you how I wrap a skein using the Niddy Noddy, because I haven't got the strength in my arms to do it without. So we're going to remove that off there. And I'm going to stand the Niddy Noddy on the floor, so I'll be like that, and I'm going to grip it between my legs, yeah? I'm going to put that over there, and I'm going to twist in front of me, because, like I said, I don't have the strength in my shoulders or my arms to get it as tight as I need. So we're going to keep twisting and twisting and twisting until you think, is that enough? Maybe we'll keep going just a little bit more. That should do. And I'm going to slip that so that bit there comes onto this finger, yeah? Wrap around, use your fingers in there and pull it through. I hope you could see that. So then it looks a mess. You're going to whip it off, and you're going to pull at it, and you're going to twist it. And that is how you get a nice neat skein. I'll have to excuse the yarn because that's not nice and neat. It needs steaming. That's how you get a nice neat skein using your Niddy Noddy to its fullest. So if you don't have a bad back, you can just hook it between your knees like that and do it that way. But like I said, I struggle, so I put it on the floor. You have seen me do it between my knees when my shoulders have been working on a good day. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this quick video on how to use a Niddy Noddy. I'm now going to go and steam this because, well, that says it all, doesn't it? It needs steaming. So I'm going to take, the reason you've got this short video as well is because I'm on a bit of a deadline. I've got 7 days to do a video because I've challenged myself. I'm on day 5, and the challenge that I've challenged myself to may be finished. So we shall see. We shall see. So I'm gonna do the challenge first, and then I'm gonna start getting rid of all these different yarns off here, so we've got something else, because I've got something else in mind. Is that not just gorgeous, that skein? I've got a thing about stripes and lots of colours, because I absolutely love those colours running through that, with the pop of green and then the pop of pink, and then the blues and purples and reds, and oh, it's just so pretty. Anyway, I digress. You see, that's from being crocheted. That's what it should be like. It fair shrinks, doesn't it? Anyway. Anyway, right. Stop, Sadie. You're getting all giddy. If you are new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more random uploads. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. You do make this worthwhile. I don't feel like I'm talking to myself anymore. I actually feel like I'm talking to someone. So, no matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening, or nighttime, I want you to do what you love doing. Love and hugs to all you fantastic people out there, and I'll definitely see you all again soon. Goodbye, my beautifuls. Mwah.